Hey there, space enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a mind-blowing discovery that's got astronomers buzzing with excitement. Imagine two planets, right in our cosmic neighborhood, smashing into each other with such force that it's like a cosmic fireworks display. But this isn't your typical space event. It's a rare and fascinating glimpse into the violent and chaotic world of planetary collisions. So let's strap in and explore this extraordinary phenomenon, shall we? First things first, picture a star, just like our Sun, but with a twist. This star, named Gaia 20X, was acting all sorts of strange. It was flickering and dimming in ways that just didn't make sense. And that's when Tzanidakis, a graduate student at the University of Washington, stumbled upon something extraordinary. He was sifting through old telescope data when he noticed these bizarre dips in the star's brightness. It was like a cosmic mystery, and Tzanidakis was determined to solve it. What makes this discovery so intriguing is the potential cause. Instead of the star itself causing these fluctuations, it's the planets that are the culprits. Massive chunks of planets, flying around and blocking the star's light from reaching our telescopes. It's like a cosmic game of hide-and-seek, but with planets as the players. And the best part? We got to witness it. This is a rare event, and it's like catching a glimpse of a secret world behind the scenes. Now, here's where things get even more fascinating. The infrared light data revealed a clue. As the visible light flickered, the infrared light spiked. This suggests that the material blocking the star is incredibly hot, almost glowing in the infrared spectrum. It's like a cosmic heat signature, and it points to a planetary collision. But why is this so significant? Well, it's not just about the heat, it's about the story this tells. Planetary collisions are common in the cosmos, but observing them is a real challenge. These events happen over millions of years, and for us to see them, the debris must line up perfectly, blocking the star's light. It's like a cosmic lottery, and we were lucky enough to win. But what does this collision tell us about our own planet's history? It's like a cosmic time capsule, offering a glimpse into the violent past of our solar system. And here's the real kicker. This collision might be similar to the one that formed our own Earth and Moon. It's like a cosmic family tree, and we're getting to see a long-lost relative. But what does this mean for our understanding of planetary formation? It's like a cosmic puzzle, and we're just starting to piece it together. So what's the takeaway? Well, it's a reminder that our universe is full of surprises, and there's still so much to learn. In my opinion, this discovery is a game changer. It's like a cosmic wake-up call, reminding us that our universe is dynamic and ever-changing. It's not just a collection of stars and planets. It's a living, breathing ecosystem. And the best part? We're part of it. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that there's a whole lot of drama happening out there, and we're lucky enough to witness it. Stay curious, and keep exploring the wonders of the cosmos.